Yama Makwa Baba Bra Waka TV so said ye da ye edemamono. Enche ye class ye between adwene akwechira. Enche ye ebra Ghana na ye beto abano. Bra Waka TV ye de mpanifo mienu eba ye mfimfini ene wo di nkomo. Ebisa wo mo eniema aban a wo abesene kɔ omo edigu akwan mu a enti esese ye hwesoro ne yeto aba ema wo mo. Nyame adom abato no etwem anase yato awie. Bra Waka TV ye the post election updates bremo. Ne say enti ya san ato yensa afrem penifo ahodo mienu a wo mo nso ye ne wo mo eba be di djuma ewo na wochi emu. Megidi say abato we na desua bebre ewom. Onsem bisa doso. But when na wo kan wa asem akire no na se wo kan po a efa na ekoduru. Enti na ye say ene Bra Waka TV ya fa empenifo a no mo be di djuma ewa ha. Wonsem bisa ni nyina wo beti eya fa comment no ebra na ye ne ho djuma emma wo. Woman senifa so yi eye set owusu entry wo ye sound engineer ewo sechere central ene ye beti nka ewo dwumadie yi eso. Beba men sabon kum sonso a menu abema George Ehima ono so eye political analyst wasanso eye nurse ewo Efidiase government hospital. Me am di dwumadie ho chiame metiane doti. Me bali for me mama kwaba.
Yeah.
Me gidi sapombo ko de.
Nyame
nyame ase. Abatwe yi na enye kukra o.
No crack. Better cry. Mom come on top am. That me say enye better.
Yeda mo asipi. Ene say ye hyase ye dia. Se de ye di kan aka no. Ye the pre-election updates ebre Bra Waka TV ahwefo. Nyame adom yato aba na wi. Enti ye the post-election updating so sane aba. Enti na ye hwe bibia fi mo pa.
Okay.
All right. Ene na masem bisa me di efrase ye no. So far abato no aba na wie ye yi wo mampani a eye yewura na na Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ono na Ghana fo dodo na ato aba ma ne se o me di enso emfie nan a eda ye nimu. Ebi asem na ebetimi akache na ma mencha se emfiri me nse nifa so.
Me amede wase. Na afin so be da Bra Waka TV ni crew nyina ase. Ana Bra Waka TV ahwefo nyina so be fa sa akwanya su na machia mo. Me nua wase no abusa ne se dia na mbo ka chere na na be nipa bi a oye politician from the beginning. Ana wa bre papa.
No correct.
Frimra obegina for the first time 2008 ankoyi 2012 ansan koyi national na mpaba watimi agina mama 2016 woye ma oman pani anu asa asum Ghana ama sese 2020 wase agina ya sa ato aba e de ama no tinana mema ni tiri nkwan na madam ase ewa kudura wanya
obemma ni tiri nkwan wada ase ewa kudura wanya na je say nana wo man congrats
mema congratulations papa.
All right mini abema hima nana nya ba no e de ase na wo ka she nana
Mechia Bra Waka TV ahwefo nyina edomasi se omama isa akonye se ye no mo me pesi mfa abato a yeto ye no anado wabadwuma aya de yo ese okupan wakowi nkunim abotre na ye
abon
yo te mani trinkwa
ye ma nana ado etrinkwa mabegafo abato no nyame adom aba asomdwemu wo mu say yetete se mentime ho ase bi ne ntokwa bi ekoso bet ye ne de betimi aka se e court wachi agogo nyame adom Ghana yato aba na wie asomdwem na me bisa se ansa na abato no beba na ye hu ne se ebe ya asomdwem sa ana ma me nko me ne abema hima so
doti me da wasa asomdwem ho asam de se Ghana ha de fa Sub-Saharan Africa ha asundwedie sabi ye ne hoka na me dia che kwa na kase be de ye bebo ho na me ya dom ye tie ho ase NPP NDC ho se yin ni baba ko the center kwa sem ni ade although there were some lapses here and there but say ni over the ekoso amanfo mamu ni ade na ade toto Ghana ha na che say far better as compared to them.
All right.
Just do one some day. Okay. Na me dia che kwa.
Dia che ye kwa.
Engineer. Minia. Asumdwe ho asem minia na ka ne de eye one trademark a che say Ghana ni bia e da no. Ne mum abatu we de minia na menwene se be ye bokko sa.
Oh,
sa menwene David. Ma me chiro de ntia na menwene se be ye bokko no. On say abatuo we say na sa Western Togoland for no promote wo ho no Sandra na chese ye nya the first rebels from where you were when say on beto ho afri Ghana ho to the point some team soldiers cracking etimi dem be fa de say ammunition san kasa de aba system ni and the two vigilante groups no maybe they say do ya man wo mo de but underground no me na go see nya pictures bi ani bi wo island bi so no mo nyina egusu training etimi hu sa election day ni de sample for no e be sa ye aduma and the two sa COVID-19 break ehia abato enti sa dan ka asolian ye beko akobon pa ye tu ye hofo afa so bie hu nyina no enti me anu se de nka wo se ko no enti sa ne me ma metena se bi bire se and have you about to the Namia and was it prepare your home near the pet as we know. I'm sure I ever patch him. Aha, to me, the name say, but I say a bit Yaba, and I'm sorry, me, I'm a okay, but Yamiaton, ye know, I yes, Yamin, yeah, that kind of for us, yes, so and the trading upon us. Now, my memra, now you're shady. About 20 by a year, you share percentage range. Because before I say about what they ban near when they say I'm a Yokobi be fan one time near Tete, no be radio so any baby a befebia. But here we are so far NPP Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo or the 51.40 and now or the percentage when it comes to percentage wise. You share you John Dramani Mahama a year NDC so also the 47.26%. Ne mama mami free acid so bunia na mama yemu me meka na emphatically say na nya mama pisa pisa sani pa mienu ya na omoda ballot paper so me can't about to ni part of na ko ede ba mienu na to wo aba me ka me kire na Akufo-Addo ene John Dramani Mahama sa nipa mienu nyina ballot papers di obi ama so obi aba so be twice na na do crampo de wa more than that into obi ha wo charisma John Dramani Mahama, why am I penny pen? Nana Akufo-Addo, one of the way my penny pen. Proud to say, you better about it. It is so be a bit me a campaign, no being why novice. It made me who is about to be a strategic. Obia was no besia canism, and so I didn't know about a bear catchy. How many part to a barman? It's about to say the Amelia, made mom the name said a bear diamond movie and who is a one time and as a piece of cake. Said okay, sound engineer, Yemiabema set Owusu entry and now what's an income. Political analyst. So far percentage, NPP, NDC, and then our farm.
Percentage in the me although say na mama ex-president I was side apebi and another be incumbent.
Yes.
There were a lot of message concerning both parties. But na mama there a negative aspect more as compared to Nana there. You know be who say due to doom so George scandal we corruption near dear na so mo de chechire Muhammad no be him so we be a good chop mamukra. Yes. A good chop man and but say no when we say send na manfo sisusu any ade no but me to be there and surprise me sir because se obi o baby a wo dada no and wo kasem atwenam and wo diverting attention every one na it takes a lot of time. Yes. For you to convince someone say free baby or no one e be do it na enough. Intime there na chese Yura John Dramani Mahama wa bon wadon because don't wanna share the 47%. Why are they all right ugusu a wo share Bra Waka TV post election updates and I dey ebremu yenya nipa akukudam mienu ewe yentem set Owusu entry where sound engineer ewe search central and afi yenu abema George Ahima also a political analyst our science so a nurse ewo Efidiase government hospital many amema moma yemra MP4 no eso eba mra shebigafo na em say afi no say ye hwe numbers a eba ye no a NPP ekuta 137 semeka say NDC so ekuta 136 and ye war one independent candidate numbers here ba bontin mama na many of them me mo dey when say from the political aspect in it, I name Mama Bibri.
Oh, okay.
Because social appointment na do a year. Some is to appointment or appointing a lot of MPs.
Okay.
So they mention. Indeed, a shift to my attention, no. Senko, instead of consider our say they are in the parliament, they take it of their constituency, no, and divert your attention if you. So they mention substantive ministers, deputy ministers. Our moon de lusu, or Mr. Indogranye, interesting. And I say, as a minister, MP, a Beconho for developmental projects. No team losing seats. The M2 now to a position party. Incumbent or no power, let me lose. It has a lot of tales around it. It has a lot of tales around it.
Okay.
I mean, we say, as time goes on, they say, no, as a near man, as a sacrifice.
Engineer,
what's your number now? NDC nyae, any NPP nyae na. Me mom di anya mama. Anya mama prado me a novice, and that's me agreeing with politics.
Okay.
Aha, me need wo musa bat. Bibia say met me predict am head trend. I started free in ekwahi. And to me share the first time when you parliamentary election and presidential. The first time there 29 December 1992.
Okay.
Because Sabra na 3 November 1992 na me ato presidential one. Na Sabra maybe hwe ni padu e koto aba no. Parliamentary election o ma anto no dodo. Na 28.1%. And o mo to ye. Sabra na MPP ni race ni. Na NDC ni wum. Na constituencies ni 200. NDC nya 189. So CPP nya 1. And na your party do ho no mo ye chese o mo ideologies an kasa na from every Ghanaian living everywhere. Almost in your seat, Nibi. And you find a MPP man. In 1996, now it's NDC General Person 189.
Okay.
1996 na MPP bem. I'm not trying to America no. In 1996 no MPP bem no. Now NDC when 189 previously no. I've been 133.
Wow.
Now so what?
Wow.
Now NPP a o memu da no when 61.
First time
1996. So, NDC for not start to experience some level of attenuation in terms of losing seats.
Okay.
Don't know money anymore. Never saw Tiba. And yes, I call you in Kakrano. 2000, the year 2000. NDC said Lusui, Emma NPP, every sign NDC. So what you say? Yes, I can't. Not just NDC, you're not Yabisi. I'm an NPP, a majority. And the year 2000, no. About 2004, na NPP as was at na NDC as saying don't know me a majority there. The year 2008, na NDC as a majority, na NPP a minority. And to that trend now, who peja ko do pika, no experience recession now will say about. So it will be them who say NDC ebenya NPP the NB. Obenya pa so say na range be one year. Now the next year, one kakra. But we have MPs. No man the president. No, I'm doing opposition.
Okay.
President, I'm not doing opposition. What the other say NDC be next year and next election now. One better be na majority. No. Baby, I take on. Say NPP for one year or more work here. Now NDC for so tenase. No, also start now NPP your work here. Yeah, and yeah. But be majority na president. No, one man better.
All right. Yedamwasipi. Na maybe so far yehwa MPs no anaso omra hye bedwafo no dodo na lusu almost seats enti yebebisa say what are the causes.
Okay, the question we na me pese ya address because prior to the primaries one say inya maybe na almost strong host no because fan say wenchi
MPP for
MPP strong host wenchi MPP will succeed. For me now,
yes,
now, the entire a country will win in an say. Dotty, she said, Ling now copies your copy forms. See a per se parliamentary candidate.
Yes, in democracy.
Exactly.
All right.
Now your copy forms. Now at the end of the day, one will be emerge as winner.
Okay.
Near me, no. Yes, even fast, you say yes, Liam. No, be a bad party. The empty what my super. Yeah, cut negative aspects. efa baako ho yam to what must yes selling negatively forgetting say at the end of the day baako and the barber represent party in that situation.
Okay.
And you ask yourself say see na what's the negative thing about
wow we need
pan
just a more pretty big no
antenna we na o selling nipa na dem what must one na o pese asem na o kafa ho no o painting me black. Do you expect me say
you may do what
because what doubting the competent?
Yeah.
Dem what must what doubting the competent? And do you expect me say upon saying all negative aspect about the person, no? Me as a neutral person, I will vote based on the person's policies. No, I can't tell you and you're competent enough to represent the constituency. Who expect him to say to my banner?
Not just say, I may tell us here, NPP for the mono, or mobile picket form, or offering, best muffin, certain to offer. Yes. Ye campaign my honor. Instead, you can near my pebino, not may make cuts out. It's your end as a mimit to me, Lydia. My cat, my boom, Fintino, a bed is also back and pay.
They were digging their own hole.
Okay.
Because and after the prime minister, it was only few. Anna, any you really a county boom.
Correct.
Yetia, I skirt and blouse. Any baby or what? Osha said they're not vote, no. A costume, but parliamentary, no.
I take that
because you know, if the same car, you bet work as a unit, you bet me up. I fight for a common goal because you have ambition, he said, and I'll be president. Them what you have a common ambition. Irrespective of say, you are a person, a parliamentary candidate. And you was say come together. Now getting me one channel vision, you really will be a costed back. So they mentioned and NBC capitalized on their mistake. So they mentioned because deep within them, they are fighting. Them what I say?
No, so far on
yes, now pave way. Right. Miss me banam the key message you have. And none of me going to the campaign. That was the main reason.
All right.
Them what I say? I am more mono. And you see, man, I was a mechanism. Say, maybe a minister, maybe a deputy.
Yeah.
So they mentioned. Omu ni ye no aye appoint omu say omu ye ministers no. Omu we fi say they are coming from the constituency.
Hofons or should be.
Yeah, they will judge them.
Right.
And they will hold them accountable at the end of their 4 years period. So they mentioned. Into mu nyina no. Omu antimi combine ni bi no. Mama fa fishes.
Okay.
Wani ni me, wani deputy na you so seat. Deputy Minister of Agric, George Drew.
Yeah.
But losing city.
A whole minister.
A whole minister. So thank you one to Deputy Minister for Agric. And the whole lot. Oh, my little city. So they make sure.
Alright.
It is said MPP as a party. Meaning see about to stop going once to them. I mean, Jama.
Accident. So as it. What did he say? What is the cause of losing a lot of seats when it comes to NPP?
Cause now, the major one, and I'm me, I can, me, I can. He said, we had TV swell, we say, you're or Chamabwadi, or a former MP, or Bantama. I said, Bantama, one of the formidable seats for NPP.
Sure.
Or Chamabwadi, Sada no more premise now, we bought Chamabwadi as soon. Within party now, Saturday no incumbent, you're born as soon
to say,
many of him. It is how you may have microphobia, the yard, supporters will be the yard. And the two, and this is one and so, and who sound microphobia and to grow at the 28 year NPP. Now, but you're not to China, say, you pia, yet them, and you could be a jar, said the NPP for ye. Course back when they said, we will be a mini opportunity at Tana and Pesuami and Sasso. Such a central and Duma. We call Quabre East. And I think we call a Cropon Easting. Now, Minya quite a share NPs, me and Sanwa, almost 3 constituencies. Nina. Minya quite will be your TV, and I'm saying you will be also physical, 80 and 1. Then no one in our back and you may be a Jaije aye credit ya dima Nana Akufo-Addo. Free education and yet directly associated to a certain MP. Free social intervention free one ever. It is a no one because I tell them free education, yes mumu swopa, and then I will as a member of parliament 1 year I will the constituency unique. I don't know measure so you should be with him, oh papa. You're very normal president. So papa back on home. Na se o maame e ko no aduane no. Na odi mauni aba no obese wo a. Aduane na ankasa ho na aso no. Se ka yo papa. Yeah, o papa. Etu nya no e wo se bi o hwe ka se ene bra na me ko nso mi adi mu aduane no. Oh, me ba, me so na me mu aduane me je o papa sika me de ko ha me de ko ani ha fo odwo me de fa ha se fa ha ko to we ni ba ye. Ni ehun na be ka se ene aduane die ni bebrebe yi. But my basso, maybe himself upon the walk on. It's MPs no more than I am and free education and away social intervention yet channel from the top. Some microphone no as a man to be better. Not to say one did dinner. Yes, they were shutting under the umbrella of 1 district 1 you won't mean to 1 district 1 maybe I'm a boy and here you call constituency and I'm a Jeba relevance. What you say? Every any person na more scholarship. Yeah. What you say? And I said, I did waste and cast and build common fund. And I said, 1 district $1 million as one. Buy and so just say Yanti. Yeah. The MPB. We need baby. I'm so proud to a more campaign for the various season. They made numerous promises. Yes. Forgetting said they will be hold accountable to their promises. Mimi ni bibio, tie bibio. Me to me wo me obi a meti ba bia. Yeah, non-partisan. Neutral person. Yeah. I am voting based on your policy. Yes. You're not very important. Yes, you're citizen be actually. Yes. And yes, you were Amanyoko wenti say me what dey aboa me now. How will you think you support our? You be do. Ah. Nti fa ne say oh, Baba can't say much. Oh, Baba, you no catch them. You forgetting say, Omu, Ekase, me ba me equine. Me ba me we no more refuse more say. Say the man of Mukanin, they are in the parliament house to enact and initiate laws. Tio, but maybe your Baba catch them. Say, me layman. Yeah, me layman. Into Becca them, say, wait me quiet. Obey me quiet. I told me end, no. And don't sit there for it to reach an election period before you come to the constituency. Because of him, baby, they were not having a message you again. Because Oma Philip Poto. But that Omuni said they are very popular. Their party is in power. Yeah. We have free education. We have free water. Yeah. Free electricity. Yes. And even some were even fortunate say Omu Kla constituency no, they has numerous roads. But Omu to me, when you mean to be a person my boy. Yeah. Omu ye book be man. No de and near man by in but forgetting said they say seven graduates. And they will be a bay. They go school. They say what him said there are a lot of intellectuals. Never him say you will be and a percentage in one. There are a lot of intellectuals. Intimeno Obeka say a quite women I'm here at the comfort of my home. I can sit down, Google. The what must hear. Eh, a quite and I'm once in a quite here. Even if say about Udimwa, but there are numerous projects. If you apply a true government intervention, no UMP. Maybe. If you apply, it was through GMPC. Yeah. No UMP. Into Oma and you now become achievement one. To tell you what Philip Poto also said a movie. Yes. Okay. What Philip Poto. Okay. Not just a mini BB, not just a someone back at them, say, maybe not just a you would rather send and now back. All right. Who goes to our Bra TV? Monsieur, and pennyfo ye do mo ba fidie mu han me say wo tin sempa na no so edinye ye de say research and imparts through entertainment enti wo hwe bie na wani engine no na wo fa ababi nso ewom
Me benefo mamensa emisa me next question say per de mo akan e fa MP4 enkomodie mu betimi agina so aka say sese Ghana for yesua de when it comes to election yesua de ana as it famiko
Ghana for yesua de papa every say so had said ye percentage nisi ko ye any MPs ni biwa chese ya to aba skirt and blouse no baby wo hono kura mpa NDC and NPP o mu wini wada do presidential na nakufu adofa baby wo so John Dramani Mahama F5 ne so ni MP no a wo contest no amfa aso sa inu nyina sa zones ni nyina ye sa parties ni mienu bebre baby stronghold so obi say hohoy adeti na hohoy pe wo se na nakufu abetimi fa hohoy. So what you say? But parliamentary rules and yatuama
NDC.
What you say? Aha, enti na mali hu say no politicians yet because I stronghold had ye beto aba no say the call oham chichemu a ye wo be say bi okunu wa ha ye beto aba no bo say sa presidential and parliamentary no na bia ba kwa ye bi okunu an ko say ba ko no so ye bi okunu na kwa ye du ana edu no enti we nyina kire say Ghana fo sunya de na nyema bi wo ho ma bia wo yakoma mi e ye bufuo ebi so hon wa ya bonfia asem enti amanne no anka se ni person ya de ni person ya de papa beti be gina so asipi se no kure ni person ya de beduru brebi ye nya stronghold bia o Ghana
me da sipi set and out in nka no o se beduru brebi no ye nya stronghold se bia e wo Ghana fa Ghana fo so ya de fa percentage no ana pese o kan fa kan wo o ma me
amenka se me address it to do masi se ka cho se MPP e be fa sit na wo lu
pra obedi achinye
wanji se ka se NDC e be fa seat wo pa ka we believe ho ya na mi nue kan oni mi se ono abo ase bi nkatia e general secretary for the
NDC
oni mi se o ka say o mi refi MP ni din we say the MP no is a good person but he is in a wrong
area and as a constituency say
so he is a good person but he's in the wrong party because why here almost stronghold but when man when minister for energy minister for energy and then when they win parliament visit and they NDC for a stronghold ntene e kire say esua de we are shifting from say ahana me wo so no matter what happens we are me there kra ahana we are shifting from there edura edura se man make edura we are this for stronghold o man bani dada John Dramani Mahama onim se oba shantro gin untimi enka so onkwadura da
so I think the whole plan accident is
we had to because the whole stronghold.
Yes.
Yanko, that is Bono East.
Yeah, Bono
East, yes.
MPP, Elusu, 2 seats over there. The thought say, I had a stronghold. What do you say? Chama to me. I bet I say 47.
Yeah.
47. But actually say forget himself. Say Muntaka. Honorable Muntaka.
Yeah.
I need a real fear who say a honor. And yes, sebi. It's been from one. You was sent to four. I'm on such a hole. Do you want to say to one to man?
It's the phone about how
the man is filming tremendously.
Because I mean, Santina Matiaswasi. Na MP no ho ne NDC ni bet ni nwuma na wo ye minya mfaso wo so a exactly you ne say emfa ho say yes eno ni it ya fina NDC MPP bon wadi asa o betimi yi na for pastor na
no imagine no go the man MPP ni
eso
masa
because you sure there
yes and that's how we want things to be to hold our leaders accountable. We have to assess them based on their policies and the promises they made
to us.
Exactly.
All right.
Because we are 2016, it seemed to about Winnipeg.
Yeah.
Winnipeg.
Yeah.
Some minister presidential and back
Yebebaso.
Yebebaso. Esa won na ayiwo. Itimi to aba e bi enipa be se bia 5,000. Abeto aba. Oh, we nipa.
Yeah,
we nipa campus. E bi abeto wi. Na NDC MPP.
Yeah.
And mu half of it. Almost even
maybe 2,500.
Yes.
Okay.
Na mama. And nam e bia 500.
Yeah, 10%.
Yes. Did you even ask yourself, say, you are not NDC for them?
Yeah.
There were a lot of NDC members over there. But ask yourself, say, maybe mommy, we would go to Busia, then go school.
Yeah.
Or expecting me say at the end of my 4-year program now. Remember, me pay me dues.
Yeah.
That's a mistake. Unemployment. Ghana and you unemployment guarantee. The one association.
Yeah.
Yes. The unemployment. I should say, Mr. Baby with you.
Yes.
Mammy Solia said, will be a question me. I will name some buy a clutch and wouldn't say Ghana in particular education very expensive. Wouldn't say
Expensive.
I did was a gay cheap. Ghana very expensive.
When you're more easy catch
Usually sandwich 3 weeks will be 1,840.
Just 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Weekends in our
My main cast I went to Quara so as the NMTC.
Yeah.
I was paying approximately 3,000 every semester.
A semester.
And the semester will be a 4 feet. Me enter on my room. The semester and yes, I've mooning now. I have so many 9.
Yes.
But so many 9. And I'm near.
Budia.
Me ma meet me the body to me poo. Me ma meet the body could do. Yeah, go to the 2 cities. Ask yourself, say.
And praying now, obey me as I've been 3,000.
I've been 3,000. Into which me say, yeah, ma me be school near him the day. It could be. You have to say exactly. Into say me say go school way. Me ma me akwaje busia bi kura sebe abusuya japade bi e de hono dia kusia wowa akwaje busia so de be ye de go school na me wi abusuya ni nim se me betu esika na mo mani o ma japade no back ana be ka kire me say wi school na me nsa metene fia o be ka kire me say mo be tu nje wa na me to
Debe.
njo wa di suya ye be nti sie yesia na leaders no
Amoni be bo so.
Itobi
Right, political analyst. What's your next? Efidiase Government Hospital. And I face set Owusu entry. And I would say, can also a sound engineer. Such a central. Me say, and then some penny free or more pay ni near my baby. Now, me penny for me patch me pamcho. Say me bisadia. Say you share a number of Mrashebi before Abasu Fire. You say. Se koba se enka NDC for ebe ye majority in power enka ebeha amamuo insunsanso be nenka ebeba ye hwe insunsanso be nenka edebeba amamuo no so in general
okay
ebiem insunsanso be nenka edebebre NPP as a political party ena di twato insunsanso be nenka ebeba nana adodankwa akufuado ene ni dwumadi a obedi so as it.
Okay, Miriam, aside was it. Now, say NDC, a majority.
Yeah.
Now, president, no, NPP, I know before Sana, okay. Okay, Dian Kebesino, Mimuma to 1 year. Obia, I don't work in the clergy. When you're so full, like a year, meeting you would be busy, but yes, you baby. Now, I can. Young share for almost 14th election, Canada.
Yeah.
Now, president, no, one non improve for a minority. So, and na opposition no or na the majority sir president no the presidency no lasted for 439 days
let's just say
there was a time crampo no I start to sa Canada for no 270 days na sa bre no de no oteso no ono so na yi ball it is a president babet na so na say one na the minority na ya na eniema miensa na benitri
okay
enema miensa ya no mo dey bro for can say 1 staying there e kwan obefa so atena akonya ne so na obetena so a e de be na obeyi obetena so mebe no so
okay
ana opposition for no so dwene getting there e kwan ya nipa yi baabi a wono wo yi onsen fata ho ono na edwene kwa obefa so atena ne ka ben ye befa so adu na ba akon so akani ano ye governing the country
okay
said ye omu besi agu man sa abere de pa de mimia enko so da if say adie bia president no ebe propose no we mu be oppose sa opposition for enti puntu papa bia no ho no a betimi ayeden aba ano ye puntu bo ni ana say ano ne ye like effect boni but ye hwe madam bi kan asembi your friend Martha Hall Finley
okay
or can say the year 2010 1st October or say president what is one in crop for a minority no a golden asset or has a golden asset or patch let's say a sombo at Sessica Coco. Now, not just at the bedroom, at the public, what you say the moment you will be back national, our minority no. I just I want to also. Okay. Now, I dear betting your boy, yeah, team when say, yeah, fundamental project. A crew and other person at toilet in his work be. A crew and other winning so more than yet. A crew said on the fine yet Saturday and any free education we are many. And to most of that Tanaswa will be busy things because some of us social intervention, but say if you are national health insurance on the opposing. School feeding on the opposing. It's your marketing getting one now by now the Sunday marketing it's only any development in the yes. It's a bread pan can pa equally peak. Not more material minimum. You're satisfied woman. I have a minority.
Okay.
Our president. What you say? Eti anu ye adia kami e ba the good side side that make me Martha Hall Finley adia tum say e golden asset ba ye Ghana for mum bi e be na ye enye kura
the gasipi enye ye ni asset e na wote ne kan fa ken su sa so be ene be ba
ye Ghana ye me sa so no e ye boni no e bi
ka negative no be do
I say se osu mami ntwa
enkwa
osu ntwa nye dey
enuru de roda akam for mama no
exactly nti me so na me se fata wo
yeah ba binti
menya ana deep within me no kura ha no me se abano kura dukura wa amfa kwa papa so ne ye dey
onya se de ye titi
nti mo grievances o mi mu ana so far as me no mienu yen so socks kolo ne de ya green di nya peda
ya ye bibi fosu
ya le nti mama njo ye mfa ni say ye mfa no in terms of decision making
okay
sa bai no wo ye hihye bia nke beboa fa ni say ne e beko IMF
okay
ni ya government ya parliament approval
yes
because we were in crisis during that time ya nkwa the base no enje opposition no that time na MPP
yeah
and the opposition and I know Mr. Kuta minority omu oppose there were a lot of agitations here and there but because of say na NDC what majority
yes
they stood to their story
ewodi
yes appointment okay when him say position do aye be appointed you go through vetting
yes
I know the bureaucracy and
no
one tell you so
you go through vetting it is a parliament endorse one there is no way you can put that position and that position might be vital for the government
for the work of the government
yes
all right
they say because of so one no minority better is appointment
okay let's say in South ka am be shi pa
papa etunim they say unim from na MP no MPP pill on pill they say the party structures they have to evacuate everything
yes all right na more question
yes
na more
because
question na more address
you see omonsa because to make any policy in this country
they hold
vital positions
all right
nem to what say adia edi oman no e ko nanimu no Because you uncle IMF, they say in Cayenne, you need baby and because I am not the economy to feel terrible. You need something to sustain the economy. This time, you mukula ye pam or ye peso fee. You have got much. You and I to tell me to get plata. Then I'm ya bois, Nanka Yaba. Go be a Kawukla, Kawudi. One best step it down.
I've been seen that.
Been seen that.
All right.
This was only the in KP.
Ugusua will share Brawaka TV post-election updates. And ye dem pelifoi abafidie yi mu a wo mo mayete na yehunu de ebesi anase de ewo mu nyina ye koso akai we se yedwumadie se wani je ho na se wo pese wo so yasena me sponsorships no ekwan eda ho wo be fa manager number no e we screen ani na ye de udwuma ama kama ebelifo ene mo mayete se mu bie ye ni mo mayesua ade ye da mo ase pi na mame misa se sa mrashibidafo yi MPC wo nsem a ye kan dodo na lusu wo seat ene kamia ye se nka majority fo ya na se NDC fo ebe ye omo benya majority in power mo nsem bebrebe ye no say before say ye be yi MP ato so aba no delegate fo di mo akotini ye ba delegate fo nso ene de MPC baaye but temam fo yi akoto aba etia wo ye bisa say delegate abatoɔ no ɛwɔ nsunsuansoɔ bi ɛwɔ MPs ɛne abatoɔ nyinaa ingenuine mu ana ase fameko ɛna de mabɔ ni kini pa
mo can delegates
yes
like omudwumadie
abatoɔ no ankasa
sɛ omudi dwuma ne yi saa nipa ko ne ma ayɛ ana bebre ahwe ase
good
ankoye kura
and never person sa delegate one no mo boko pa mama
delegate na ya yi wo omo ye nipa
yes
ba omo dwumadie ni ye nipa enti ye betimi delegate na to America ye kan electoral college for ho a ye betimi de atoto saa de no ana ye betimi afa bi se wo de nipa kura na want to say electoral college ne delegate as ye no constituency other constituencies ana ye keka bo mu ani ye nipa that's ye nya central government me boa enti obi o delegate no se wo important mu a wote no what is a constituency ana me boa what is a constituency na chere se wo no okura nipa be yes e bia on the average oha adwene fi se mi police station bia your for delegates na wo ho a nipa so e to aba 470 enti on the average let's say delegate bia na ho no a o se nipa oha what you say na so delegates na nkasa no me say omu yi nipa bia omu ade know say they made the wrong choice because of the motivation that they got omu ankasa nim say TV bia nkwaje beba o medium tin na me nipa we a square peg in a round hole
na to say ye share wo mo afunu mu nti no
ye share mo afunu o ma afunu kwa de ha ye share mo afunu no e ma bebre e ate otherwise
okay
meko benkum aduane ba ya no ko nifa enti sa crofon ye peja wo mo no eni nsam akika fa bi ho no e ma ye ankasa ya tena ase no we the masses a ye beto aba I endorse some crofon na say ye de o mo ba aban mu ye ankasa betima trans sa nipa we say de no ko ye die nipa asumasi no to wo nipa asumasi ntimi enkyere de me nepe enka de na ye nyina ye peni ne so wuko ene ya akwafa we aba ene beto ati ya no sana na tie it is say delegate ni yi sa crofon ma ya we have our choices yeah the masses no yeah so ye be kyere say nipa ni hia na ye hia enti am na e account for sa parliamentarians be defeat and na the Alan Cash factor because you nim say NPP or man e kan as for me there I'm oblivious to such allegations we say me green with politics but I mean him say NPP that one we there were two branches there were Alan House and you were Nanado a house Alan House you say ni APS o man penida da akofo and na nekufo adon so driving this year will be a dubuan aha enti bebre no hu say profo amulu so ye nyina coming from the camp of Alan insana tell them which hunting be there akoso enti say me free Alan boys no na me delegate na some for delegates who pia sa boys ni nyina akon ya and ya me so me ko me ko Alan
oh okay
so what you say and as you poke say me wona na ado e camp na say me genuine na mu say nipa ofri Alan can buy a monster of efficiency or poor man. There's which hand into your pianist in Kenya. So now, as a genuine person, make vote at the Modena Bremen. And the masket and blouse is to see haphazardly.
Okay, me that's it. Me have a set. George, na me bisa say delegates no omo na etoaba AEMP ema 70 memofo ni nyina yenso ye copy so but omo abaye omo koto ne nkrofo am do omo be dodo na ahwease ti ye bisa say sa delegate no omo abato no ebunsunsan so bi ewo MP 70
me that's me nya doti.
okay
na I pass a question we bisa and many people say sa question in ko anke they address it as a whole be there in ko ansi
okay
in Krabatano in branches if they know
and never was so mammy said you walking Bravo TV be penny
I mean tell there we get delegates and your meaning say MPP as a party they will go back to the drawing board
yes
and rewrite their notes because they got it the whole thing they've gotten it wrong.
Yes. For me chawano I fear about when I no correct because after sa parliamentary election no you must say crofo chasing crofo me kwa Jimmy TV me kwa me kafo dia o de bo drain me kwa a whole lot
me obi kwa gas cylinder abrekwa ba bi o ti ko pass dem fe gas
ti wo dia to wana so wo
ni mo di yes
fam come
America said they will go back to the drawing board because the word delegate no when he said the electorates no plan omunim the core mandate of that delegate omunim so omunim wo but yeah mami any this illustration and for nipa 100 I'm a lay person
yeah
nebisa ni say electoral area chairman no kotuma no ho when the obey aman I said then when you obey my catch was no because I had a chance to meet some electorates who exercise their franchise for those delegates. Yes. I'm be say you can delegate for now look at this.
The last time now obi can say much let me say osusu say Ghana ha 7 can you be when 18 years prior kon man to aba because obi can say abrewa bi wo ha so na ya fa na kenten kwafu but say abrewa to aba ebia na wo ka say obi ato aba akoyi delegate but wonim ne dwuma bi ekura
wonim say delegate no wonim say delegate no na e ko to aba akoyi MP code amano wonim ntunim me che ni pa na tra sa me so say and ye true so a me so be di sika
ono so be di sika
yes and sana my day makoto about but when you say you say the will of the people is the will of God yeah wo constituency han ye ni say set ne fata for me na
yeah
one hana siao sana bishi no say me referee unim chromo for the sea or no I'm go pen unim your question no delegate be best 500 constituency ni pass any work constituency ask yourself ni be nipa in fact we need 1000 mpo as
delegate go 25,000
1000 equi MP ambaye na nipa 1000 mu 24,000 say nipa na mu ko yi na ambaye as MP you don't want that person
no
but when nobody for the way few mo say that's what I'm saying say nanado be akoso nyina no say nanado so we lose this election and guy every right to hold
the MPs
delegates and go be so hold be accountable simply because na me dey me say e true na step in but say what to we here and as if you can say one step down as parliamentary for that say yes one step down as independent candidate here you are no more member of the new patriotic.
Me say I want to member ho. Titi from na edi.
Yes.
Na mama ka ensem.
I want the no brother me dey ato. Eno dey woni ayi be dey no na to nche.
Okay.
So what dey make you? What say? One party ndi. Nti wo dey be bia na grievances will be a no say any pan. Say we lose the city am independent na olusuma NDC.
Ekoso.
Sa 47 na chama untumi FM na no one. Say na me hwe say minim say bia we be enfri ne enkozi bia next month ne bia I step it down because so ka so nya 47 bia.
Okay.
O best step it down.
Na ye be say ye o ka no.
Because Fanny said, don't you remember them? Fanny said, MP no, they are very smart. MP stronghold they are very smart because when you say, when you go when you but delegate you know at the end every month we try delegate in the car.
Tinache say automatically we talk.
Exactly because when you say so when we need primaries need we pay. I had the said manu system na so what the particular ebedua ebegina uta MPP take it
ke beto ama. All right. Me hima madam wasipi na me bisa wo we dey munyima mutiawa ene na delegate yabatu mususu se sen ene sese eko ana sen ne sese yehwe ne yeye no munyima mutiawa. Okay.
Yes it maybe a solution to every problem. Adena and this for adopted strategy.
Okay.
And when you say MPP as a party adopted strategy.
And also wow more fee pa.
Exactly. Because any card bearing member eligible to vote
as a delegate.
You need that word delegate no plan. I must happen off.
All right. Now is them putjine ni pekuo
biso.
But this time around the okuta card.
Come on, you guys decide your franchise.
Eboa wo mo bebre. Any more must this time around.
Yes.
136.
Which means India Dana so be a year. I'm a successful. Yeah, adopted.
All right.
No, so MPP as a party. New way. Because it means a nipa way. Because not say Chobi so be a delegate. It be a nipa so nya. Sebi previous when nya.
What take to about
Sebi. But the conscience no. No, of course yeah. You work service constituency. No, of course you do choose one person am I.
Alright.
Now the end of the day, near yes so far.
Okay, me penny for any na me bisa say when it comes to delegate issues here, most of you say saying necessary ye no na saying pra necessary e confirm.
Delegate issue. Very broad, but my main summarizing in tackling
summarizing mama.
And this is for the adopted strategy. And a poor party no. And then I'm going more seats.
This election.
And I know MPP as a party will go back. Everybody will sit down and analyze the whole issue. What went wrong during the election. Okay, they'll get to know say, yes sir, primaries no, and I also sadly my way. Adena. Yeah man, any carrying any member bia or what MPP card when you're eligible to go and cast his or her vote.
Right. That is a make any pekuo be
exactly
was selected.
Moreover, you do that time now. Young concotier those are the grassroots.
Yes.
Say young survey. Moamusha.
We have
yes.
We also person oba.
Exactly.
Why na mususu say yeah
fan.
All right.
But that's all kotetire. Muko set as we set. Baby o why you set. Mupo mbo really and na pass am to dem.
Impose no.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Them talk to us.
All right.
Because you can assist. But you can't insist.
Yes.
They also what I said no. Two things altogether. You can assist, but you can't insist. You have assisted on me. Say me say, but during the election day, you will not be there.
To insist.
All right. Said ye mote Yeni abema Ahima George, political analyst, or science of ANS, ewo Efidiase government hospital, and a watching agony. Many of them are set. Sound engineer, a back side delegating issue.
Delegating sense. Yeah, then no could say how to compromise the delegate to act in your favor. And was somebody idea we mark could you pension and the interior man and us will be in power now their man. But it was you who said, I'm not for the war, sir, idea similar to delegates. No, I'm a friend aristocracy. Now, Nina said, you won't prove on my spa. Nipa will say the privilege. You have to a privilege or Wakanya. Or Wakanya in terms of what? You wanted this year. This year, 2 young men this year. Never my Bob be a businessman in some mood. It's young nice uncle of one, no when you say Nipa. See, MIA. Since I am meaning delegate, yeah, your far more so a delegate. No, Yam no correct. A Japadia or what is up in one hand. A Japadia or what say up in one hand.
It is any perry in your tummy. Be sure
you a plasma TV or budget.
May say, what the man manages 50 cents. The person will sell his conscience.
Yes.
It's meaning I understand. I'm coming up with you say. Said do your fan proof we no we pay my you know like process no easier
right.
And tia dey na your fan proof work class dey see for ya therefore mom you wealthy or me educated since say you better work mo bi oti say mean casenti obi the one close one no just won ya be but enne nyansa abase na most formal education it's not free education aba also obi aba ko school and tia fan proof obi o mo so esu ade aduru akire na nyame so atoto o nsem o mo fie nyansa ebi kura o mo dibre e wa asore dem enkremosun mu ni ade ade abusun fie nyina o mo abobra you for some of your delegate since then yet me for be 18-year-old girlfriend girl I want to cry no just for friend be 2 boys or a delegate what will happen it sounds appalling and yet it's not funny power or more competent and people will desire say you placing one within a specific vacuum near mom delegates since you before you do offer after say o delegate because of certain offer no and that bibia meanwhile the panels of could be crowd to abantu as me
all right set entry and I would say in Kano or science so eti when you have my himanka madam wasipi ye de asem no ebe wie better na me pese asem me bi sami mo tofa e mami ye hwe formula MP the issues are eba ye ya me kire honorable lawyer Andrew Esiama a lot and some bebre na ba but ni nyina mu no o push forward ene enkundia botire no ebo afutuo be na mode bemma nipa bia se kan ne anase antram kra ye gina ewa busuam adwumam ene oman ni moral lesson ben na mode bemma fa twawo de etia ma na me ko bi na bemma set
me odoti me da se pa minim se we ai quick lesson lesson we
kese pa
because unim say for me na na doko
yeah
eko gina platform so eso be inside.
Yeah.
So we was it baby also need na one and buy the forgetting said baby also need na no e one and be no but e nipa ni be pian so no
amana ko gina
enti adan na promafo ne say one say make us say the will of the people is the will of God promafo ne say doti one ye dey ye pew tiawa omudi omuso munimu bia na se wo imposi mimpo ba wasi wo no ana memfana how do you want me to do
okay many na skirt and blouse na
exactly and they were fortunate
yes very
fortunate because man no MPP DNA but you see they manipulate the conscience
oh e woni mo no ko ade
because when they say omonsa and the benefit so nsa shobi anu a it be share the way
na so omonso so omonti le ni nye aduma
yes it be share the way because they say it's likely say obi abenya 137 seats
yeah because ba pe akamu ye kamia say ko NDC adesa
137 seats and you need one to be the majority
obey decider
you see you have to go back to the drawing I minimum be a mind no a perception
all right
but you see it's almost structures because omuntimi they can't speak to the ground and take it back again media membership so mo your mind say mo use the party rules and regulations and based on the party structures this is what it is enshrined in the party constitution.
And the many have become some meeting was a senipa who dim rasu bebreba or than robot.
Exactly. And now we use a baby so I had boom.
All right. Fam, me so one some can ewo papaya semi. Fire a foot woman in the hour of effect. Ewa bravo. And then put you.
Yeah, the best they can say. Don't ever on this earth and delete. Said I will be say we my underrated. So we did. There's nothing good. And if said persuasion fails, force will be applied. Ubia once a weird day, said you only sabi. When a bois, if you are the only a bois to feed. No, but we wouldn't have one year with you. No, bound here. Kai, no, a bamming change. You have more clever fee or clan minimum do. Or buy a boo pan. A good one. A cow. Exactly, you know.
I'm proud of more.
I said a poor poem. But for say a poor beer, did you call baby? All right. My Ubia platform. When you pan air testing, let the person spread his or her tentacles. Let him justify himself. Say I am passing the beer with the milk. Make my day. I can serve the people. I can serve you. So give me the chance.
All right.
Whether I can utilize it or I can squander it.
Okay. George Ahima and I would say in Kano, political analyst. Says, if you say moral lesson, and the war honorable lawyer, Siama Andrew Nasimi, family.
What can I say? Any pet beer, we a baby. Now, who said the corner away and a year? In Tiami, in Tianipa. Nemo mutually part, Yao said, dear way and yes, ye. That is a support to. I didn't hear Yami. In Tiani Panimum, who had the part of the war, I say at the corner yet. Now I am. Sandy Palmer, I was our just up pay. Lawyer Siama Semiso. Now who said, Sam me, I am in Tiani in Tianipa. Nemo Nipa to cry upon a time at ya, may I. The moment I may add not as a Beko Yin, Nipa be never Baba Dimechi. Ye were a scientist or a friend Leonardo da Vinci. When they design a helicopter and embryo.
Okay.
We design a 400 years a chance and ye. Busasa Sabrina would design helicopter or sketching. Busa said, Leonardo da Vinci no. Somewhat what the man was say, me will intention be better baby. A bit to a Busa man, a bit free house Yasia, Kawuna Bemwana. Kabuna Ben, young Donald Trump, no one your politics though. By 2016, I was so about pray for presidency. The vice 3 weeks to election or renounce on the support. Say one support to the baby. You heard John McCain, you heard Marquette, you heard Cali, women Republicans, or pillars, or women reclining or support for Donald Trump. And so at the end of a president. And to honor West Yama, Anka say, yeah, can answer me. Senka, what the parliament one more, you declare the seat in vacant the year 2020, October 13th. And because of my bemo, we may not do one and Victor. And 1 year, and so one Mr. Philip Ofuri Asante, or Medjinari, one on say we need by 12,805 votes. And I saw also on MPP, the on the Bible, Mr. Philip, one also lose by 9,788 votes. If you pay me a way, you have said, you say, yeah. And as a back of and I said, oh, Bianca about conscience. I say, yeah, we are quarters over at you, what, Nipa Bawin chain. Who cried me now answer.
Yes, let us be set Owusu entry, and I would say, and can sound engineer, and was such a central. And I feel so, what's a Hima George, and so and can by a political analyst or science or a nurse, and with the government hospital. My video for member them numbers out to get. Me did say, and then someone working. Brawa TV for or more share, the most dear a free. And the sound engineer found number not at you.
My number is 054 88 22 614.
Right now, sound engineer and no friend. Nebisa won't sell track and our person will record and bass sound won't be there. Fresh our number. We know next on so far or number at you.
Okay, the number there is 0541 37 13 60.
Hima George and no abediafo medamo asepi enne me am di dwumadi ho chia me dia ne doti ye besane ahia ebiem nyame enka ho bye bye